some boba ice cream. Well, she jamming them over there. Backside. What is that? Oh, it's not rain. It's water being grassed. I mean, water being grassed. Grass being watered. Oh, 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 oh. Funny guy. I like how she wore black shirt. But she got the blinking light and low. Doing a Foodland run, like I said, a little boba. Welcome to OnDaReyL. It is raining. Is that rain? Jeez, where's the clouds for the rain? Oh my goodness. You okay? There you go. Motor rain. Will you follow me? Follow me. I'm going on the street. Go to the right. I can check the back. You know, gotta take them out because I never ride bike long time. What's that, babe? 2 weeks? This Locomoco big city. One day I'm gonna play out here. Once this whole COVID stuff is done, play out here in this venue. When I say play music. Sometimes give candy. Acapulco, Mexican food, taste Filipino, Chinese, games, like slow mode. Huh? You don't have a mask? We're heading back, getting a mask because apparently we forgot. Because my helmet wasn't good enough this day, so could have lied by now, like lied to these boggers. So you ready for Rip City? We gotta come back before Bogger close. Good. Oh, not really. You're even faster than me. Oh, but you faster than me already. Oh, I was just being zipping. Oh, Daniel-san. And there we go. Pass me by, 'cause if you do, you lose a good thing. Oh, say with a kiss. Here we go. Oh, dark over here. Still can see, eh? Okay, I'm gonna show around a rip on this bit. Gotta get back to Foodland. 20 minutes, close time. May come back there. 10 minutes to spare. Happy that we got some trails over here. Okay, just gonna run in and get the mask. Me, because I don't know. Here's the bike. We got the wrap. Finally took it off. I just needed to find a way to do the lights this way. Finally got like the license plate stuff that was supposed to be the Charmaine. And I was able to borrow my father-in-law's drill and drilling. Make 2 cuts for the lights. Alright. Now we're ready to go. Okay, round 2. Round 2. all for boba ice cream. Yeah, it's good though. For the ride, it's our date. A bicycle ride, shopping date. Nah, for the road. With this sidewalk, you gotta kind of navigate them because it's kind of narrow, huh? So sometimes I like riding on the road, it's wider. Just follow. Okay, clear. That? Yeah. These ones go like 20. These ones go 25. But the thing about these ones, a lot of guys get these ones because they can hack them. And they can upgrade the battery and controller. So they go up like 32s, 35. So crazy stuff. Yeah, that is though. But might as well get one more pet. Yeah. Stay close though. Alright, heading out. On Gentry Way. Okay, clear. Let's go. Rip it. You gotta rip. You ready for the hill sale? Huh? No, not Suicide Hill. The hill sale. That's the first one only. No? Hey, you know my helmet. I can. Work on, baby, work on. Just use the 80s. Is he pretty much good, huh? She go, look at him. Not like this, 17, 18 already. Car, center right. There we go. Clear. Oh, you missed it. Ah, babe. Wait, car. Where you going? Oh, the moon. Yeah. I cannot forget the ice cream behind our back, but my melt. Okay. Okay. We are at home. Thank you for watching OnDaReyL. Hello, G's.